All right, group 2, you need to check your work and make sure your alligator mouse are going the correct way. The first box is going towards the greater number. So remember, the alligator mouse is eating the most amount of whatever. I always think of cookies or pizza, so you can tell in the first one that the alligator wants to eat the 40 cookies over the 20 cookies. Okay, so make sure your alligator mouth is going in the correct direction. Down here, you need to take these two numbers and make sure that it's going in the correct number. So 24 is larger than 4. 36 is smaller than 38. 15, Mrs. Hinks messed up already, is actually switched around, so we need to move those two around. 14 is smaller than 15. 15 is the larger amount. 20 is larger than 2. 36 is larger than 35. 20 is larger than 19. 31 is larger than 13. 32 is larger than 23. And 21 is larger than 12. Flip it over. On this one, they want you to make sure that they're correct. So yes, 20 is larger than 19, but this arrow of the mouth is not correct. The alligator wants to eat the 32, not the 23. Down here at the bottom, you can pretty much put in whatever number you want. They just has to be smaller or larger depending on where the mouth is going. So I could have put 11 here, but I chose to put 10. On this one, I could have put a 0 in the tens, but I put a 1 for 15. So just look it over. If you need to pause it to make sure your answers are somewhat right, do that now. And then start it back up again. Okay, group 2, can you go and get a whiteboard or a scrap sheet of paper? Because I'm going to give you some harder problems. The first problem is 44 and 16. Where does that alligator mouth go? You are right, goes towards the 44. Next one is 105 and 110. Where does that alligator mouth go? To the 110. The next one is 240 to 340. Where does that alligator mouth go? 340. And these two, you need to make up your own two numbers. Make up your own two numbers and then go show Mr. Sperry or Mrs. Hinks to make sure they are correct. You are done. Go do your exit ticket.